Close your eyes and imagine your workflow 6 months from now. In one version, you're still manually syncing Google Sheets with DigitalOcean. Still making errors. Still staying late. In another version, everything just works. Your systems talk to each other automatically. Data flows in real time. Errors are a distant memory. You actually leave work on time. The difference between these futures? A 5-minute decision you make today. puq.ai transforms how Google Sheets and DigitalOcean work together. No more manual transfers. No more broken workflows. While you focus on high-value work, puq.ai handles the repetitive stuff in the background. It's not just automation. It's a fundamental upgrade to how you operate. The businesses thriving in today's market aren't working harder. They're working smarter with tools like puq.ai. Which future will you choose? The decision is yours. Make it at puq.ai.